Imagine starting your morning with a coffee out here. Hi, I'm Harry from the Waterside Holiday Group, and today we are at Osmington Mills Lodge Park giving you a video tour around Smuggler's View 4. Let me show you around. As you come into the lodge, you are greeted with this wonderful U-shaped kitchen where you have your ceramic sink basin with amazing views over the woodlands, as well as your very own 5-gas burner hob. In the living space of this lodge, you do have 2 freestanding sofas. This one here is also a sofa bed, so you can sleep 6 people in this model. Now the TV, we're currently waiting for that on order, but it will be here ready for your handover. Here in the back half of the lodge, you have your family bathroom just here, which has a bath as well as a shower head over the top. Into the twin bedroom, you've got your 2 twin beds, which are both 3-foot singles. And you even have tons and tons of wardrobe space here as well. Into the master bedroom of the lodge, you've got this beautiful double bed with your bedside cabinets. You have your storage space just over there, and you've got this extremely large ensuite bathroom where you have your shower and your very own Velux skylight. Now for my favourite feature of this lodge, which is this beautiful outside space. You've got this wonderful dining set which comes with the purchase, as well as these amazing views which overlook the woodland of Osmington. So thank you for watching this very quick tour of Smuggler's View 4. If you want to come and see this lodge in person, please give us a call on 01305 836 836.